What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have got the Flex out, and I've also got a couple of new gadgets, a couple of cameras. I got GoPro 10, I think it's a 10, the GoPro 10, and I also got the GoPro MAX 360 camera, which I have here on my handlebars. This is really just a test ride to see how it's gonna go. I'm on my way to the House of Machines for Electric Wednesday. I want to get down to the FDR to see how the wind noise is with some extra speed. That's one of the drawbacks of my Hero 8 without the media mod. This GoPro that I have on my chest right now has the media mod on it. So in theory, the audio should be a little better. I guess we'll see. I'm gonna rip down to the highway and hang with the big boys. I've got some wind right now, so hopefully this will be a good test. Here we go. I guess I'll talk a little bit and see how this microphone works out. I wonder also if, well, yeah, see, the 360 on the handlebars gets a little bumpy and it flops. That kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to tighten it down more. I was worried about making it too tight. Going to be making a turn soon. Good. Yeah, I'm making the next turn, so then I guess I'll just pull up to House of Machines and chill. I'll review this footage later when I get home. Oh, come on with the traffic. Man. Yikes. Definitely wants to flop down with each bump. Got to figure out a better way to mount it. All right, here we go. House of Machines. I'm probably going to be first. What's up? Saw you on the news. I saw you on the news.
I can't believe it, man. Huh? Yo, what? Yo, that bike is a horse.
Good to see you.
How's everything, my buddy?
Good. How are you? How you doing? Let me pause this. Hold on. Yeah, the suspension really makes it comfortable. It's nicely positioned for bigger guys too, so.
What's the hub?
1800 peak.
Wow. What's the draw for this? Good night.
I didn't meet you guys, but I know you guys ride Zeus.
You work for the park?
Yes, I do. I drive a big garbage truck.
All right. Tried a new mounting setup. Trying to catch some wind. Trying to check out the stability of this mount on the handlebars for the 360 cam. We'll see how it goes. I try to put some different clamps on it in different brackets so that it'll prevent itself from tipping backwards. It's kind of interesting to see. Had to fiddle with some settings on the GoPro 10 as well. The GoPro 10 was putting out video that my computer could not handle, so I had to mess around with like some different, oh, this is bumpy here. I had to mess around with some different ways to convert it in VLC media player. So I had to convert it. Yeah, we're getting some good bumps now, so hopefully this will be a good test of the stability of these things. I do worry about it, but you know, this is the way it's going to be. That video camera bouncing around on the bars. So anyway, I think I found a workaround for the video quality. There's a lot of road work in this area, so this is probably about as crazy bumpy as it's going to get. You know, the Ultraflex is a little better with suspension and everything, but hard mounted to the bars, it's a different game. So we'll see how it goes. But as I was saying, I figured out how to do a workaround for the codec, the video codec being weird on my old computer. My computer's a Mac 27-inch Retina display. I don't want to get a new one because they stopped making it, and the display is so good. It's hard to, you know, get rid of it, especially if it's working fine. So I'd love to get this workaround. I think HVEC 264 instead of 265 works. So we'll see. Got to take another street. Got to get past the bridge and then turn. So I might as well put these together in the same video, I guess. So much road work, it's crazy. This should be good now. Nice, here we go. I gotta make sure both of these things don't tip. But so far, I like the wide angle is nice on this super wide 4K, real great image stability. The media mod, from what I could tell, my first go around, really great at blocking the wind noise. That guy had no hustle in his step. Get out of the road. Get through this light. 32. Good wind. This will be a good test. If you can still hear me, you know it's working. That medium mod. Look at me like I'm doing something wrong. Beetlejuice looking ass motherfucker. All right, that's it. So much wind, so this will be a great test for that audio.